Connect with MT5 on Medatiq Markets Android. Let's get started. Once you have created your trading account and completed your deposit, you will see a trade button on your screen. Click on it to open the trading section. Here, you will find download options for MetaTrader 5 on different platforms, including Android, iOS, and Windows. Simply click on the download option for your device. For this example, I'm using Android. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file. You will then see the install option. Click install to begin the installation process. After the installation is complete, an open button will appear. Simply click open to launch the MetaTrader 5 app. Next, click on add trading account. A new screen will appear with the search bar. In the search field, type Medatiq Markets. When Medatiq Markets appears in the search results, click on it. The login screen will then open. Here, enter your MT5 login ID and password that were provided when you created your trading account. After entering your details, click on the login button. That's it. Your MT5 account is now connected and you're ready to start trading on Medatiq Markets. Thanks for watching.